Oh shit, I should probably start recording.
Yeah, you should.
So, oh, there's another ship. I was gonna say, so far it was just the two of us.
Yep.
Oh, and there's the rest of the game. Clowns terrorizing the streets, a real-life billionaire villain running for president. We need you, Batman. This does seem like the prime opportunity for superpowered individuals to start showing up.
Yep.
I would like to be one of these people, but all I need to do is find some dude looking to experiment on human beings and sign up for that.
Yep. Or get sent to jail, wind up in a fight club, and get beaten within an inch of your life.
And be defiant the entire time, and till I need to be put in the tube, the healing tube.
Yep.
Regeneration tube. Oh, that dude walked out. His buddy protected him. Sunder Chicken protected him. 2 minutes. Come on, really? Going around to the...
I'm coming, like, come on, man.
You're really gonna try to go to the other hallway, just like, okay, nobody will notice.
It's like, bro, we all have radar. It doesn't work.
Just like that didn't work.
That did.
Aww. I would really like special ammo. It's not filling fast enough.
Yeah, one thing I noticed that when they updated the game, they got real stingy about the secondary ammo.
They never saw it coming. Their dignity is yours.
They probably did not see it coming.
Their quest belongs to you now.
Yep. There's the whole team.
Yep.
Yeah, heavy ammo, special ammo's not gonna fill up soon enough.
There goes half the team getting blown up. Oh well.
Bye-bye. I need special ammo. How close is it? 25 seconds. I will try to help kill in the meantime.
Got it super ready. Go ahead and use it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the hell out of here and hopefully get some special ammo.
Oh, friggin' Heather! Swear to God.
I saw that and I'm just like, I want no part of this.
Fair.
Glory is mine. Oh, Sunder Chicken! Who is that? Oh, that was his name. The guy the other day. Cookie Bumbles.
Cookie Bumbles.
Fucking Cookie Bumbles.
Was Cookie Bumbles the one that kept doing no, no, no?
No, that was like Vegano Loco. I think that's what his name was. Yeah, Vegano Loco.
Did you get your special ammo?
Yes.
Good.
Hello.
It started spawning.
Oh, fuck. Denied. I got cocky and I paid the price.
Oh, I just got super. Okay.
Yep, so much for that. Fucking hammer soul. It's ridiculous still. It is, like, no lie. That shit's still pretty fucking ridiculous.
Yeah. I think it's the armor that you get for going through the fire on that particular perk.
Yeah.
That's the thing that makes it the toughest to deal with.
Okay, where's the special ammo? Oh shit, I need heavy ammo too. Which do I want? Heavy ammo.
Heavy ammo available. Only 5 minutes left.
Oh, Sunder chicken, damn you. Damn you. Oh, well, I spawned right next to the special ammo, so I guess that works out.
Lost the lead.
Fuck you, Sunder chicken. Not today,
I
now
was
you're...
trying to figure out what you were even talking about for the longest time. I was like, oh, he's talking about that guy.
Yes. The dude named Sunder chicken.
No one shares the glory on that one.
You guys can come in at any point, that's cool. I'm just gonna stand here.
My quest is yours, Guardian.
Nope.
They're on the
Fuck! Fucking hammer of soul. Nonsense and shenanigans.
Funny, because I had just gotten done using it.
Nonsense and shenanigans.
Except when I use it.
I got killed by hammer of soul again. Fuck that guy. Fucking wicked things. Fuck.
Whoops.
Whatever, I still killed 2 of you dudes. Oh, that's just how the cookie bumbles. Well, I helped, and that dude killed our entire fucking team.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, I came in, I was like, oh, that's it.
We're all dead. Aww. Sadness.
Totally worth it.
Well.
enemy almost won.
Yeah, we're doing terribly now.
Yeah.
We had a chance. I think we still could maybe, if we're really, really lucky, turn it around.
Their glory goes to you, Guardian.
fuck is this dude?
Only 1 minute left.
Well, I had a nice little run for a second there.
Well, I killed one of their dudes.
That might have helped a little bit. That actually had a really nice run on that super just now.
Oh, where did my grenade even go?
Remaining. I will not accept surrender, Guardian. You have dignity to maintain.
Settle down, Shax. It's okay. You're doing good.
I'd like to find out who did Shax's voice at some point.
You were doing good at first, then we kind of went downhill from there.
Now the pros are coming out.
It's that time of night.
Yep.
More unbent trees and proud spires. And somebody got a ghost.
Hmm.
Trying to find who voiced Shax. His name is Lenny James.